Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlọ́ ní.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Winje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So when anytime, any day, any hours I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552. You message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to share with you how to use sea salt, 1 white candle, 16 bay leaves, and coconut. If you believe that you are under curse, are you with me? Or you are from a home where you suffering from a curse you never knew anything about. Are you with me? And some cause, it may not be from your biological parents. I think you understand. Maybe after you married, you feel like you are under cause. I think you understand what I'm saying. So if you are here today and you are watching this video, this particular video is for you. I think you understand what I'm saying. And if you follow this instruction, by the grace of Almighty God, you will surely share me a good testimony. So the first material you need is 1 white candle, 16 bay leaves, sea salt, and coconut. So these 16 bay leaves, you are going to write breakthrough on each leaf. Breakthrough on each leaf. You can use any color of marker. I think you understand what I'm saying. So you need a bucket of water. Light the candle and make it stand in that bucket of water. Don't add water to it yet. You understand? You can make the candle stand at the middle of that rubber. You understand what I'm saying? Then light the candle. So take 1 bay leaf out of the 16 leaves. Say your intention. Break family curse, break marriage curse, curse from your father's side, curse from your mother's side, curse from your wife, or curse from your husband. Ask God to break it and remove you from the spiritual curse. Then burn that bay leaf with that candle light. Allow the ashes of that bay leaf to fall in that plastic rubber. Take another bay leaf. Say your intention. You can say multiple intention. Burn it. Allow the ashes to fall in that plastic rubber. That is how you are going to do the 16 bay leaves. Then after that, take the coconut, break the coconut use the coconut water to quench the fire of that candle. Then after that, add a teaspoon of sea salt, 2 spoon of sea salt, add it to that coconut water. Then after that, add enough of water to it. Allow it for 24 hours. You can bait it in the morning or in the night before you sleep, at night before you sleep. So if you want to bait it, you can say whatever thing you want. Are you with me? Then take the water to your bathroom. Use this water to wash every part of your body. Every part of your body. You can bait it any day. You can bait it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You understand? It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow the simple instruction. So you can do it once, or you can be doing it once in a year or once in a month. I think you understand what I'm saying. By the grace of Almighty God, every cause that is following you will stop following you by the grace of Almighty God. Cause that delay your destiny, delay your progress, God is going to break it for you by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow the simple instruction. Please, if you really love this video, please help me to like it. As you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. So orúkọ mi náà ni Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè Táyémásìwẹ́ńjẹ́. Lórí ètò yìí a máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àṣírí àtẹ̀gbò lọ́kàn ọjọ́ kan. Èyí tí a mú wá fún wa ní òní ni bí a ṣe máa ń lo omi àgbọn, bay leaf. Àwọn tó máa ń ta ingredients tẹ́ máa fi ṣe jollof rice, wọ́n ń ta bay leaf, ẹ béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn. Àti sea salt, tẹ́ bá débẹ̀ náà ẹ béèrè sea salt. Àti candle funfun kan pẹ̀lú marker blue. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Iṣẹ́ yìí a máa fi ń break family curse. Tàbí tí o bá ń jìyà lórí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kan tó mọ̀ díẹ̀, a máa fi ń wẹ̀ dànù. Ṣé wàá rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹlòmíì kì í ṣe pé bóyá ìdílé bàbá wọn ni wọ́n ti rí ègún yìí. Ẹlòmíì bóyá ńgbà tó marry tán ó ní nǹkan yìí jáde sí i. Ègún ìdílé tìyàwó ẹ̀ ó gbèrú lórí. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Tí ẹ bá wá jẹ́ nìkan tó jẹ́ pé ó wà ní irú ipò báyìí tí ẹ sì ń wo fídíò yìí lénìí, ẹ gbìyànjú kẹ́ ẹ ṣiṣẹ́ yìí lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run á fún yín ní ìtúsílẹ̀ gidi ní agbára Ọlọ́run. A máa wá candle kan funfun. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tan sínú bucket tá a fẹ́ fi wẹ̀, ká tanná sí. Tá a bá ti tanná sí, bay leaf yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ breakthrough sí orí ewé kọ̀ọ̀kan pẹ̀lú marker colour tó bá wù wá. Tá a bá ti wá kọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká mú bay leaf ẹyọ kan nínú bay leaf yẹn, ká ṣe àdúrà tó sílẹ̀ sí. Ká fi iná candle yẹn jó kí irú ẹ̀ kó dà sínú òkè yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mú kejì náà ká tún dà níyàn sí. Ká jó bẹ́ẹ̀ títí tá fi jó 16 bay leaves yẹn tán. Tá a bá ti wá jó tán, ẹ jẹ́ ká mú àgbọn kan, ẹ jẹ́ ká fọ́. Omi àgbọn yẹn la fi paná candle yẹn. Tá a bá ti paná candle yẹn tán, ẹ jẹ́ ká bu iyọ̀ síbí méjì, iyọ̀ sea salt síbí méjì ká bu sí. Tá a bá ti bu sí, ẹ wá jẹ́ ká bu ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ omi sí. Tá a bá ti bu ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ omi sí, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé kalẹ̀ fún bí 24 hours. After 24 hours, a lè wẹ̀ láàárọ̀, a lè wẹ̀ lálẹ́. Kódà kó ju 24 hours lọ kò bad. Tá a bá ti fẹ́ wẹ̀, jẹ́ ká ṣàdúrà sí, ká fi wẹ̀. A lè wẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan lóṣù, a lè wẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan lọ́dún, a lè wẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀mejì lọ́dún, ìgbàkígbà tó bá ti wù wá ni. Àárọ̀ tàbí lálẹ́ ni. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ìyẹn tèmi. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, tí ẹ bá lò dáadáa lẹ́ bá ń bẹ, ẹ ní kábúrú bẹ́ẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ sì share mi ní testimony lórí ẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Èmi náà lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè Táyémásìwẹ́ńjẹ́. Ẹ̀yin tó bá dìgbà míì, a tún mú ọ̀rọ̀ mi tó tún yàtọ̀ sí eléyìí wá. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí ètò kílè kò fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn nǹkan mi ìtàṣà àti èyí tàṣe torí pé ìtì.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. fásikúrò ni wọ́n síkúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ la fi ń ṣe tiwa. ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀ èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé, èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́, ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí. ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀. à ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́.